Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For my returning subscribers, my OGs, and if you're new here, I am Lolita of Lolita's View. guys, as you have already seen at the start of this video, my weekend was a jolly one. That was literally my first outing for the year 2021, and you know, now I was like, I need to get some clips to put in here for you guys, for my fam, so you guys can enjoy and relate to how much fun I had. Yeah, it was fun, it was relaxing, it was engaging. I watched 2 live band performances over pizza and drinks with some really cool guys. And then Sunday service, yeah, it was spirit filled. I was like, Jesus, take all the glory. You know, I had to give all the praise to God, thank Him for what He's done so far and many more things He's gonna do for us this year. So moving on, I'm going to be giving you my unpopular opinion about random stuff. Yeah, I said it. My unpopular opinion about random stuff. Please don't drag me. It's what I feel. You know, I'm just letting you into some things that run through my head from time to time, you know. So I just give it to you as it comes. Now, number one, the best songs are the ones no one else knows about. Yeah, the best songs are the ones you've not heard, the ones that have not been played randomly about. They are usually the best songs. Another one, strawberries get more credit than they deserve. Yeah, they are pretty, they are beautiful, you know. Yeah, but I feel like they get more credit than they deserve. Another one, classical music is amazing. Fam, if you haven't been listening to classical music or you haven't listened to classical music at all, what have you been doing? Like, really? Guys, you need to listen to some classical music, like they're amazing. Then another one, anything is better than going to the gym. You guys know now, your baby girl, I don't like stress. I don't like stress. He's sending me to the gym, he's sending me for I don't even know. Don't go and punish me. That's sending me to the gym. Remember, yeah. I want me, your girl doesn't like going to the gym. Yeah, and it's ironic because my course of study has to do with physical fitness, having the mind and body, together in one piece and all that good stuff, basically. So it's kind of ironic that I don't like going to gym. But well, that's it. It's highly overrated. Watching a movie at home is better than watching a movie in the theaters. Yeah, I said what I said. Watching a movie at home is better than watching a movie in the theaters. Don't drag me, don't come for me. I know what you're thinking. That doesn't stop me from going to watch a movie at the theaters. Doesn't stop me at all. But come on, think of it. Watching a movie in that your comfort zone. Wearing what you want to wear if you want to wear something. Watching it at throw your legs here and there. Come on, that's a vibe. That's what it keeps things moving. Another one. There is no such thing as the honeymoon phase. Yeah, if you're in love, you're in love. Like you don't just lose the lovey-dovey, mushy-mushy feeling after the first couple of months in marriage. Like it's not supposed to be like that. Marriage as a whole is supposed to be a full honeymoon. You get so I don't think there's such thing. I don't think there's anything as honeymoon phase. Yeah, it's my unpopular opinion. I said so. And now, this one is gonna dawn on you guys. It's gonna hit you guys hard, 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 hard. But I'll still say it. Everyone you dated before adulthood does not count. I said it. Everyone you dated until you became an adult does not count. You were playing. Yep. People, drop my reel in the comment section below so I know you're a real G. Don't forget to subscribe, tap on the notification bell, and smash the like button if you enjoyed this video, which I know you did. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.